Here's a quick guide on how to display the registration option on your WordPress login page and how to customize it. So you're probably already very familiar with this login screen where you can simply input the WordPress details and log into your account. As you probably know by now, you can use Tribe Architect to customize it so that it matches the overall aspect of your website. There's an entire library of templates that you can use, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make sure that this registration option is visible here on the WordPress login page and also how to change its appearance. So first, let's see how to activate the branding feature for the WordPress login screen. For that, you're going to have to go here in the Tribe dashboard and then go here on the WordPress login screen branding. Now what you're going to have to do next is simply activate this toggle, and then you can just access the editor from this option located right here. Now you can use the templates available in the cloud. If you just click here, this will trigger the template library. So just browse and look for the one that you like the most, click on replace template. And now, as simple as that, you've managed to load a login page that looks different than the regular WordPress login form. Now you can make minor tweaks and adjustments from the options available here in the left sidebar. I'm happy with the way this looks now, so I'm just gonna save my work. And now I'm gonna show you next what to do if you want to also display the registration option within this form. So this is an easy step that you can do. You just have to click here on the general section of your WordPress settings and make sure that you tick this option next to membership, which says anyone can register. Then save your changes. And that's pretty much it. Now your login screen displays both the login and the registration options, and it also comes with the template that you've chosen by activating the branding feature for the login screen.